But we need to also schedule the reels. When you're scheduling reels that's not in the Facebook group reels are just like the other ones we did. When you're scheduling it on the page or on Instagram, you have to do it a different way. On the So we're back on our calendar page, or planner page rather. Come on, planner page. All right, we're back on our planner page. It pops open, it won't. There we go. And now that we're on our planner page, on the top, we used to click create post. That's not if it's a reel. A reel is a vertical video. Since this is not a vertical video, I'm sorry, since we are posting a vertical video, we have to do it a little different. Don't click create post. You're going to click the little triangle next to it. And once you click that triangle, there's an option for create reel. It takes you back over to the same exact place that we were just in a moment ago when we were scheduling a regular post. And you do it the same exact way. You say where you want to post it. You add the video instead of adding the photo. It won't let you add the photo because this is a reel. So it has to be a video. Put in your caption. We're not doing any collaborators. I guess we need to go ahead and go through it since it's not letting you see the next step. Let me see. Do I have a vertical video? Let's try and see if this one will work. Is helping you more with your. There we go. Pause that video. So the video's uploading now. We've already edited. We're going to type in test. Now that test is there, you choose the frame that you want the cover of your reel to be. Sometimes the cover is something that you're uploading and you're adding. Most of the time, the way we are going to do our reels, the cover is already going to be at the front. So the cover might be some words, or it might be a picture that's not in motion. So it doesn't necessarily, it's not a part of a video per se. If there isn't a cover already one of the images throughout the video, that works. It doesn't have to be the first image. It doesn't necessarily have to be the prettiest image. It needs to be, if possible, the image that's facing forward, where the face is facing the camera, and ideally where the face is looks like it's in the middle of talking or saying something, or there's some type of expression, not just a smiling candid picture facing forward. So if possible, we want to show action and motion in our cover picture. Hopefully that makes sense. The more important thing is that it's in motion and action. The secondary thing is the face is facing the camera. We don't want the still candid of a posed picture, if at all possible, for our cover. All right, so cover has been selected. You hit next. It's going to ask you for audio. Don't worry about it because the audio is going to already be on there. It's going to ask you, do you want to edit the video? Don't worry about that because we're going to do all the editing outside. So we need to, this video is a little too long because it's more than 90 seconds. So I'm just going to cut it down. So see how it gets to a certain place and it tells you when it's good. So that's not something that you're going to really have to deal with because the goal is to make sure it's less than 90 seconds before we even get over here. All right, so we have the music already on there. We have a 90-second video that's been trimmed down. We're going to click next on the bottom right. Now you can share it now, schedule, or save as a draft. We're going to go ahead and schedule it. If we wanted to share it now, there's nothing else that needs to really be done. On the bottom right-hand corner, you'll just select share. Since we're scheduling, we're going to change the schedule up into schedule, and you'll pick the day and time you wanted to go up. Once you have that locked in, because I selected the 22nd, let's go ahead and schedule it. Hopefully it won't take that long, and I'll be able to come back and show you how to delete it. All right, so We're under content, which is another place you can see all your stuff that's scheduled. It automatically took me here, but you can click on content on the left hand side, and it says post reels. That's where we are. You can see published, things that have already been published. You can see scheduled, things that that's scheduled for the future, drafts expiring or expire. So under scheduled, we can see we have a post going up on the 24th. That's going to the page. Oh, the video we just put up is not here yet. So let's refresh the page, see if it'll pop up. It took me here as if it was ready. Ah, there it is. So I refreshed the page and now it shows up. Sometimes these videos take a little bit extra time to show up depending on, I guess, how long it is loading the Facebook. So if you have to refresh a minute or leave, it is a thing. Okay, so we're under schedule. Oh no, we need to make changes. Click the three dots. You can edit the reel, reschedule the reel for a different time, move the drafts, delete, copy the link. Copying the link may be important. We'll be able to take this and then put it in our text message campaign for the future. But you'll be able to make some adjustments to it. What we're going to do is delete this reel because we do not delete it. You see it also has that day and time there that we selected. Same thing here. Delete that reel. And we are all set and good to go.